Hey, what's up? It's Basstrick. I'm gonna talk about my track Aika. And we're gonna start with the basic. So you have this part trap. And then it goes into this. So we're gonna first start with my track Get Back. So now the kick is more upfront in the mix. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you learned a lot of things. I appreciate the time I spent with you. For those who want to follow me into the social media, you can find me everywhere with Basstrick Music, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, the fuck you want. Big up.